Hello, good day viewers. You're welcome back to Shabes online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. And the question reads, let f of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Show that x is equal to 2 is a multiple root of multiplicity 2 for the function. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes online tutorial. So let's get started. Solution. So we have given the function, which is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4, and also the value for x. And we are asked to show that this x is equal to 2 is a multiple root of multiplicity 2 for the function. For you to show that a given value of x is a multiple root of multiplicity of that function, we must satisfy three conditions. And the conditions are, the first condition, we say that f of r is equal to 0. Then the second condition say f prime of r is equal to 0. And the third condition, which is number C, f of x is equal to x minus r raised to the power of m, then multiply by what? G of x, where g of r is not equal to 0. So for x is equal to 2 to be a multiple root of multiplicity 2 of this given function, these three conditions must satisfy. So let us check if the three condition is satisfied. If any of the condition fail, that means you conclude that x is equal to 2 is not a multiple root of multiplicity. So let us check. Starting from the first condition, which is A, we say that f of r is equal to 0. And from the question, the root given is equal to 2. Therefore, r is equal to 2 from the question. This is the root of x. So what this implies is that the given function, which is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4, anywhere we see x, we are going to replace 2. So which is going to be equal to what? F of 2, which is equal to, anywhere we see x, we replace 2. The first one is x cubed is going to be what? 2 cubed. Then minus 3 into 2 square, then plus 4, which is going to be equal to 2 cubed is 8. 8 minus 2 square is going to give us what? Is going to give us 4. Then 4 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 12, then plus 4. So 8 minus 12 is going to give us minus 4. Then minus 4 plus 4 is going to give us what? 0. Therefore, the first condition is satisfied. Now let us check the second condition, number B, which say f prime of r is equal to 0, where f r is equal to 2. And this f prime means at first derivative. We are going to differentiate this function once, then we replace r to be 2, and anywhere we see x, we are going to substitute 2. So let us differentiate the function f prime of x, which is equal to derivative of 3s is going derivative of s cubed is going to what? 3s squared. Then minus derivative of 3s squared is going to give us what? 6x. Then plus derivative of constant is equal to 0. So this is at first derivative. Now we're going to substitute f prime of r, which is f prime of 2, which is equal to what? 3 into 2 square minus 6 into 2. So 2 square is going to give us 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 12. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 12. Then 12 minus 12 is going to give us 0. Therefore, the second condition is 0, is satisfied. Now let us look at the third condition. We say that f of x is equal to x minus r raised to power m multiplied by what? G of x, where g of r is not equal to 0. And from the question, I want you to recall that this m here means multiplicity. And from the question, the multiplicity given here is equal to 2. So therefore, the value of m is equal to 2. So this is the multiplicity. M is 2 and r is also 2. Now we're going to substitute 2 and r to this function. F of x is equal to x minus, in place of r is going to be 2, then raised to power 2 multiplied by g of x. Now we're going to look for the value of g of x, which is equal to what? The function divided by what? X minus 2 square. And the function given is what? X cubed minus 3x squared then plus 4 divided by what? X minus 2 all to power of 2. And this x minus 2 squared can also be written as x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 squared imply x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So if you multiply them together and you expand, we are going to have what? We are going to have x squared minus 4x plus 4. We are going to have this is equivalent to x squared minus 4x plus 4. They are the same. Now we are going to divide this polynomial to get our g of s. And we are going to use what? Long division to divide this polynomial. So long division, the first one is going to be inside, which is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Then divided by what? Divided by x squared minus 4x then plus 4. Now the first thing we are going to use this x cubed to divide x squared. Is going to give us what? X. Then use x to multiply by each term. X multiplied by x squared is going to give us x cubed. Then x multiplied by minus 4x is going to give us minus x 4x squared. Then x multiplied by 4 is going to give us 4x. Then you subtract. And remember, this minus sign is going to affect only the downside. So minus x cubed plus x cubed is going to be 0, plus minus minus, and they are the same thing. The minus minus is going to be plus. Then plus 4x squared minus 3x squared is going to remain only 1x squared. Then minus 4x minus plus is going to be what? Minus. Then 4x then plus 4. Now the next thing we are going to do is to use this first one again to divide by x squared. X squared divided by x squared is going to give us positive 1. Then 1 multiplied by x squared is going to be x squared. 1 multiplied by minus 4x is going to be minus 4x. Then 1 multiplied by positive 4 is going to be positive 4. Now we subtract. Minus x squared plus x squared is going to be 0. Minus minus is going to be plus. Plus 4x minus 4x is going to be 0. Then minus plus is going to be minus. Minus 4 plus 4 is going to be 0. Therefore, this polynomial will be equal to what? X plus 2. So this is the answer to this division. So the next thing we are going to do, g of x now is equal to x plus 1. So we can bring it here, g of x, which is equal to x plus 1. We have successfully get g of x. Now, the question says where g of r is not equal to 0. And r from the question is 2. So we are going to have g of r. In place of r is going to be 2, which is equal to, anywhere we see 2 in g of s, anywhere we see x in g of x, we are going to substitute 2. So the first one is x, which is 2, then plus 1. So if you add 2 plus 1, it's going to give us 3. And 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, the third condition is satisfied. Now, if you look at what we did, the first condition is 0, which is satisfied. The second condition satisfied. And the third condition is not equal to 0, which is also satisfied. Now, we can conclude that x is equal to 2 is a multiple root of multiplicity for the function x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes Online Tutorial.